If your truck is anything like mine, it's this is a 2008 Toyota Tundra Double Cab. The roof drip molding is has dry rotted, cracked. So we're going to go ahead and fix that today. Now, when ordering these parts, you want to make sure that you're getting the left side and right side. They don't come paired, so you need to make sure you check your part numbers. It will say right hand side, left hand side. So this is the drip molding 75551-0, C as in Charlie, 050, and same number here but 7552. Now this is for the front strip. So the rear strip, I just decided, since these are pretty old, I'm going to go ahead and replace these. Basically, you'll see this little tab. Here we go. And they click into here. This will lift up. There's another tab. I'm going to get some alcohol, clean that up. But yeah, this is should be a clip up here. I'm going to pull this up from the front here. Yep, here's the other retaining clip here. So you have a clip here, clip on the rear, and you see this little circular tab here. The rear mold will pin this side down as it buckles in there. The rear molding looks like it does have adhesive on the back, so make sure you get this cleaned up pretty good. So I just pulled off the rear drip molding. As you can see, the new one looks much better. So for the rear left hand side, 75554-0 Charlie 020. Rear right hand 75553-0 Charlie 020. Here's a comparison of the new and old weather stripping. So this is the roof drip molding. So I just cleaned the track. Got the rest of the adhesive off here. It's pretty smooth, so we'll go ahead and attach it. So for the rear, there's a piece of adhesive. You just peel the adhesive off, pull this down. As we saw earlier, there was a small tab, locks this channel in, and then I'll go and finish the rest. And there it is. All it is lay it down, push it into place.